You are looking at 2006 Chrysler PT Cruiser Touring Edition. This vehicle was previously damaged, and I would say really just a little bit. It was to the front grille. Fenders both were touched in the front bumper, but the hood is the same. And just because of this damage, the car was salvaged, and right now it has a rebuild title. All four tires are in very good condition. I would say still 80–90% left. We did a little bit of custom paint. As you can see on the doors, black moldings, black fuel door, partially black rear bumper, the spoiler painted black, and as you probably noticed, the front grille is black, just to be different from everybody. And for our taste, we think it looks really nice. Let's look in the interior. I lock the doors. Has power mirrors, power windows, low mileage. It is right now 65,703 miles. It shows temperature outside. You're going east, north, south. Here's power windows, like you mentioned it. Air conditioning, of course. Radio and CD works. And if you would like more information about this car or any other our vehicles, please visit our website at www.rebuildcars.com.